Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on Money Dogs. So in this video I'm going to be discussing Money Dogs and their current launch pool. So Money Dogs firstly have announced their TG, so everybody should be happy by now. What we have been hustling for the past 4 to 5 months, of course, finally is coming to an end. As you can see, this is their launch pool. But before I continue, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and join our WhatsApp group chat with our community where we discuss everything crypto. You are going to be glad you joined. Of course, we do minor giveaway and we interact during weekends and during major news. So anyway, I'll be glad to have you there. Firstly, as you can see, Money Dogs have actually given their different pools. Firstly, they have the VIP pool, which has about 22,000%. The Super Pass pool, that's for those with Super Pass, is 1,700%, and the regular pool, those with no Super Pass, of course, they will be having just 81% APY. This is annual profit yield. So this is what you'll be getting annually. That's if you are holding it for 1 year. But since you're not holding it for 1 year, this 22,000, let me just show you what it will result to. Let me just go to my calculator. So here is my calculator. Of course, the launch pool for the Super Pass, that's the VIP. The VIP firstly is 22,000 percentage annually. So 22,364 divided by 365 days. This means that daily you'll be getting about 61%, and this mining pool is going to start today, being the 3rd of January, to I think it will be till the 9th of January. That's about 6 days times 6 days. This is basically what you'll be getting. That's just 3 times the amount of M dogs that you already have. There is one thing that a lot of persons don't understand, of course. So the Super Pass pool, on the other hand, which is 1,700 and 1,773%. So let me just go to my calculator. 1,773% divided by 365. This is just 4% daily times 6 days. You're just getting about 29%. So this is one thing you should understand before this you get into this launch pool. So let me just go to the app and go to open the app, launch it. Actually, this is my second account. I couldn't record the video with my my main account, so I'm going to do the one that I have just a low allocation, just about 40 something thousand. So I have an account with Super Pass. Of course, if you have the funds, get the Super Pass, but just have this in mind that you're only getting about 50%, or let me just show you, just about 50 to 50% of your total balance. Just multiplying it by 2 also. So as you can see, the TG is on the 23rd. TG is on the 23rd. So it's on the 23rd of January. So let's just see what happens. I'm not going to view the details. As you can see, my balance here is just 45,000 M dogs. So I will click on this place, go to launch pool. It's still loading, or you can just go to earn and check. You can still buy M dogs token if you want to. I will actually advise, instead of buying the Super Pass, you just buy the token directly. Just spend stars. 360 stars will get you about 100,000 M dogs. If you have the phone, you can buy, but I'm not spending anything again. So here is the launch pool. As you can see, it ends in 5 days, and this is the VIP pool, this is the Super Pass pool, and this is the regular pool for those of us that have Super Pass. So I'm going to go to the pool, I'm going to view. So this is what I'll be getting annually. This was just about 43%, meaning that I will just be getting about 5% of my total balance. So let me just, I staked 43,000 basically. So if 43,000, this is for the super passport. So the percentage yield will be 45%. 45% divided by 365, that's just 0.2% times 6 days is less than 1%. So I'll be getting this times 45,000. No, that's not the correct calculation. This is percentage. This now will divide by 100 times 45,000. So this is what I'll just be getting, 332 at the end of the day. So let me just take everything. It's basically nothing, but let me just stake. So I'm staking, of course. They said I need money, so this is another way for these people to actually get money out of you. But anyway, I've already staked my token, so get ready for the TG. Let me just go to where they say view more details. Get ready for the TG. Stay tuned. Create your exchange account. Just get it ready and just be prepared for the listing. It might be dust, it might be USDT. So once they release the tokenomics, I'm going to be doing an analysis on the project. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.